This video will show you how to use Self-AquaStretch for the tissues of the low back, upper hip area. First, Jan's moving intuitively to see how her back feels, whether it feels tight or restricted. Then she's placing her hands around the top of her pelvic girdle. You'll see the inset with hand placement as it would be done with a facilitator in AquaStretch, and her placement is very similar to that. She continues moving intuitively to loosen up the tissues in her low back and torso. She will find a specific tender spot after doing some intuitive movement and then put pressure on that. Here she's using the knuckle of her right hand to press into the tissues on her right side. And then she's moving intuitively. The insets here will show you as well other ways of applying this pressure. So different ways that you could hold your hand or other tools that you could use. You can reinforce the thumb, as is shown in the picture, by wrapping your index around the thumb. You could use a tool like a TheraCane, a therapist's cane, which will allow you to put pressure into the back using the hands at the front of the body. And finally, you see a picture of Jan's knuckle in the position that she has it in this video. Jan's intuitive movement is very useful for loosening up the fascia, releasing the fascia in the region that feels restricted. You will see she's moving her legs, her hips, her back to achieve release.